Hey guys, we're here, beautiful Lake Aragon, northern New South Wales. It's an exciting day for us here at MSA 4x4. Today we're launching a range of 3 new products. We have our Explorer drawer bags, Deluxe Coffee Kit, and our Thermo Drinkware. Our Explorer drawer bags come in 3 different sizes. We have the large, the medium, and the small. You can purchase these individually or as a bundle of 3. Our Deluxe Coffee Kit comes in 2 different colors. We have the black and the cream. This one for me is actually very exciting. Up until now, I've never been able to purchase a kit that supplies me everything I need to make a great cup of coffee when I'm on the go. This, designed along with our Explorer drawer bags, fits perfectly inside of the Explorer drawer system. Finally, we have our drinkware range, consisting of a drink bottle, a travel mug, and a travel cup, both with fully sealable lids. These are available in both black and cream to match the coffee kits. For more information on these exciting new products, visit msa4x4.com.au or visit any one of our 800 dealers Australia-wide.